Hey friends, if you wish to know what WebGL is and how to enable it in any browser, then please watch this video. Now, this is related to hardware rendering and it is necessary if you're using high quality videos on your browser. So, I will explain the process for Chromium based browsers. For example, Edge and Chrome. Now, when we say all browsers these days, we have infinite browsers with different bases. So, I cannot speak about all browsers. But for Chromium based browsers, so in the case of Edge, it's Edge colon / flags. In the case of Chrome, you can change Edge to Chrome. Hit enter, type WebGL, okay, and then change it to enabled. Restart the browser. That's it. That will enable WebGL on your browser. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.